As you have seen on the last video, we just tried to check out the factors affecting pressure in solid. On just make you to remind that pressure in solid depends on force and also depends on the area. So under force, the greater the force which will be applied, the higher the pressure and vice versa. Again, once the area is small, then the pressure will be high. So even to the sharp knives like or razor blades and those nails, they have a very sharp pointed, so they have a very great pressure. To the blunt knife, they have low pressure. Now let us see the concept of pressure in liquid. Pressure in liquid evenly depends on two factors, mainly the one which is called depth or height of the liquid, and the second one is called density. So today let us see the concept of depth, how depth affects the pressure in liquid or pressure in fluids. In fluids we mean in liquid and gas, but considerably today we just see on the concept of pressure in liquid. So pressure in liquid depends on depth. So like this one, once you are just going deeper, the pressure will be higher. That's why this one, which is at the bottom here, it has a higher pressure than the one at the top. So this one, a cylindrical tank having these three holes, which are made in order to know which pressure will be higher than the other. So the pressure at the bottom here will be higher than the pressure at the top. That's why we just say for the first one, this is having higher pressure, then this one also having the least pressure, this having a very small pressure. That's why even its distance of dispersing water, it is just very least. Okay, so on the concept, we are just considering that if you have fluid, once you are just going deeper, that the deeper you go into a liquid or gas, the greater the pressure on you from surrounding fluid will be. So the surrounding fluid will be experiencing the higher pressure. And also why this happen, why it has higher pressure as you go down. So reason behind there is once you are just going down, it has some of the weight are increased due to having that height. So the height is higher than the value of weight increasing. So the reason for the increased pressure, that deeper into the fluid you go, the more fluid and thus the more weight you have on top of you. So once the weight is increased, then also pressure is increased. So there we are just considering evenly on the presence of upthrust. So thank you for listening. Just give the comments and you are welcome to the next video.